Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I wanted to make a short video about the original Swatch Pop watches. So back in 1987, these were actually the first Pop swatches that were released. So as you already know, we are now seeing a collaboration between Audemars Piguet and Swatch, where we have these pocket watches that are called the Royal Pop. So these were actually the first ones. We have maybe one of the biggest collection from the 80s and 90s of Pop Swatch watches that you can find online. All of these watches are already listed on our website, vintageradar.com. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. We have even few of the original 1987 releases, and you can see that they are going to pop. This means that you can actually, let's say, remove the watch. And as you can see, the watch crown is going to be at 12 o'clock. And here we have the place where we can replace the watch battery, and then you can pop them back in. A lot of these are going to have the original straps, as you can see, for example, this one right here, this one, and also this one right here. Now, something really cool is that you can interchange them. So you can, let's say, pop out one of these watches and then place them inside the other one. So this one right here, and this way you can actually have a bunch of straps around and you can interchange in between them. So that is going to be something really cool, and that is why they were very popular in the 1980s and 1990s. Also, something that very few people know is that you also have the smaller version of the Pop Swatch watches. So these are going to be 47 millimeters with the support right here, but as you can see, these are a lot smaller. So these are going to be the smaller versions, so the mini Pop Swatch watches, and we also have a few of these as well. You can see that they have different styles of straps, so you can usually find these, and the system is going to be this plastic buckle right here. You are going to go inside just like that, and then you are going to close it, and voila, the strap is secure. So this is going to be the system that they thought of, and something really cool. They have a lot of funky designs, and as you can see, they also have a bunch of skeletonized models just like this one. We even have some very rare models, the yellow one that I'm going to link right here, and also other, as I mentioned, from the 1987. I'm also going to try to get my hands on this new release and then also make a side-by-side comparison so that we can see what you can expect from these new releases. I know that this is going to be a very huge thing in terms of collaborations, so of watch collaborations, because it is between Swatch and Audemars Piguet. But something that I do not like is the fact that it is a pocket watch, so you do not have at this point the original straps made by Swatch. But a lot of brands that produce straps are going to produce these cases and straps for the collaboration, so that you can pop out the watch movement and then put it on a strap, just as you would see right here. So guys, in case you want to check them out, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. These are some of the most interesting Swatch watches that we have for sale on our website, but we have over 1000 vintage Swatch watches, so make sure to check them out, guys. Link in the description box below. In case you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section below if you ever owned one of these watches, if you were, let's say, a kid in the 80s, maybe a teenager, even a grown-up, and you used to have one of these. Maybe you had a certain model, maybe you want to get one of them, let's say, back. So let me know your story in the comment section below. Subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.